this is Shell of Shell's Creations, and today I want to talk with you about my favorite recoloring tip. In order to show this to you, I have put together this crocheted banner. It's kind of a sampler. It's got a little bit of 3 different sort of looks here to this banner. What I'm using here is the CU Crochet Banner Toolkit, but I've added a few parts to it. The leaves here in the center part are taken from the CU Crochet leaves. And these leaves on the end down here I have cropped out of the CU Crochet trims. There are a few other products that I have as well in crochet that would make fun little banners like this. Now when I put this together, if you look, it's got 11 layers. It starts with layer 0 and goes up to layer 10, so it has 11 layers. Recoloring each of those because I want them to be unique and I want them to be customized could be kind of complicated, and so I want to show you my favorite recoloring method and how to make it faster. The name of what I call this method is a linear light sandwich. It is a series of layers that with different blending modes and different settings, such that when they're put together makes it super easy to change colors of things and to recolor things and make them look very realistic. I found that I was doing those steps to create a linear light sandwich over and over again in all of my CU grayscale items, and so because of that, the way I was repeating that, I went ahead and made an action for it. And in fact, I also made an action for a CU product that has multiple layers like this. It will do up to 11 layers. And so I'm going to go ahead and let that run and show you how that works. First, let me move this layer 0 up to the top only because that's where that banner string belongs. And then from my layers palette, I'm going to go ahead and click on the linear light multi-layer sandwich maker and let it run so that you can see how quick and easy it is. Now the linear light sandwich maker action turns everything blue automatically, but I want to show you with a linear light sandwich on how easy it is to tweak things and to recolor them. Let's say that we would like this to be green. In fact, let's say that we would like to go ahead and add in on the smaller leaf. I want to make that a darker green. So with a brush, I'm just going to go ahead and oh, red is not the color that I thought I had chosen. There we go, the darker color on that leaf. And let's put a little darker stripe down the middle of this leaf. And then let's go ahead and change up the center of the flower. That one will take a little bit more changing because it's not grayscale, it's actually white. Change that blending mode to color on that one. Let's make this one a lavender, maybe not that light. Let's go with a darker lavender, something like this. You can still do other things to highlight the colors, but you can see how easy it is to just go in and switch things up. I think I want to make the center of the flower a little bit lighter, so let's add a new layer and go back in with that lighter lavender and just kind of paint a dot right there in the middle. You can see how easy that is to keep that looking more realistic and true to form. Let's play with this leaf right here. Let's go ahead and make it a orangish rust color. Add a new layer. Let's go in with our brush around the outside, and this time let's paint with this darker color around the outside. See how with the linear light sandwich it's set up such that tweaking the color on things is very simple. So how do you get the linear light sandwich? I have put together, let's lower the opacity on that one. I don't want it quite so light of a yellow in the middle. There we go. I have put together instructions for what a linear light sandwich is and how it works and how you tweak it and how you make it work for a variety of different colored items. And I've put that all into a class that is called Advanced Recoloring. And so that Advanced Recoloring class, included in the downloads for that are the linear light sandwich maker action for just 1 layer and the linear light sandwich maker action for multiple layers, as well as an in-depth look at all of the different things that you might need to understand. For one example, when you want to turn something yellow, what do you need to do to turn something yellow, or pastels, or some of those harder things to recolor are in there as well. Most grayscale items can be recolored using the linear light sandwich method really quickly and easily to be able to tweak them to look realistic. If you have any questions, you can reach me at shells.creations1@gmail.com. See you next time.